Right then, hello and welcome everybody. This week we'll be looking at your TPS systems that you'll be needing to bring together, much the same as your must notice systems that you already have in place. So we're going to run through what you should get in your packaging. So in those little boxes that you're going to get your Chrome bit and you're going to get your keyboard, which is just over there now. So what you'll initially get in your Chrome bit piece is your Asus power cable, HDMI cable for extension work if you can't plug in or your HDMI connection on your TV is a little bit far or hard to get to. And then there's your Chrome bit itself. Piece on the end here is just the piece that goes into the back of your Chrome bit and that connects to your keyboard, which is just here. Keyboards will have a little bit of a tab in the back of them just to pull out so you can turn those on. And then once you've got all this stuff out and ready, you're ready to start putting it all together. So what you'll need to do, you take your power cables and your Chrome bit. HDMI cable goes in the back of the TV. You should have up to 3 or 4 HDMI ports in the back of the TV. Should be all labelled and clearly visible for you. One end is the back of the TV and the big thick end on the back goes into the back of your Chrome bit, and then your small piece that we saw earlier on goes into the end of the Chrome bit as well, and that's your connection for your cable. So that's how it looks. It's all connected. This bit here is your power cable that we spoke about before. If it's not in the TV already, you should have one in the pack and it'll plug into the wall behind your TV. So that is on and ready to go. And as you can see, this is the screen you'll get when your Chrome bit is ready to go. So it says TPS. You can see in the bottom there it says shut down apps, browsers, guest or add person. The only one you need to concern yourselves with is apps. Once you click it, it'll come up with kiosk there. So if you just click on kiosk, and then you should be greeted by that screen, and then from there it should all load properly once the system takes hold. And there you are. If you do have any questions, obviously let the IT guys know, but other than that, it's a pretty simple and straightforward situation and much the same as your standard must-know TVs already.